lightning's coming for you. You laughed at silence, mocked the light. Now I'm the shadow, burning bright. Brookie named it, Mia stood tall. This ain't just a ride, it's justice, y'all. She's quiet, fast, and cold as ice, and you'll pay the price for rolling those dice. What are you gonna do when white lightning's coming for you? No brakes, no halo, just that ghost breaking through. You can hide, you can plead, but the storm knows the truth. So what are you gonna do when white lightning's coming for you? Don't sleep, don't turn your back, 'cause I'm riding justice on a silver track. No motor growl, no warning sign, just vengeance rolling down the line. What are you gonna do when white lightning's coming for you? No judge, no jury, just the sound of what's due. You lit the fire, now it's burning through. So what are you gonna do when white lightning's coming for you? She don't forgive and she don't slow down. White lightning's coming, better clear